What is natural language processing? Well, you're doing it right now. You're listening to the words and the sentences that I'm forming, and you are forming some sort of comprehension from it. And when we ask a computer to do that, that is NLP, or natural language processing. My name is Martin Keane. I'm a master inventor at IBM, and I've utilized NLP in a good number of my invention disclosures. NLP really has a really high utility value in all sorts of AI applications. Now, NLP starts with something called unstructured text. What is that? Well, that's just what you and I say. That's how we speak. So, for example, some unstructured text is add eggs and milk to my shopping list. Now, you and I understand exactly what that means, but it is unstructured, at least to a computer. So what we need to do is to have a structured representation of that same information that a computer can process. Now that might look something a bit more like this, where we have a shopping list element, and then it has sub-elements within it, like an item for eggs, and an item for milk.